In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Samsung. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Following that, get this free app from Tool developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, as you can see, thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your Samsung's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!